Welcome to the 400 indoor disc base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the column, the 400 by 400 spider and the disc base. You will also need a drill gun with a 5mm Allen key bit and thread lock. Firstly, use the drill to remove the screws from both ends of the column. Stand the column upright so the end with the two holes is at the top. Grab the spider and identify the different sides. One will have divots and the other will be flat. Place the divot side face up and line up the holes. Apply thread lock to two of the screws and place them through the spider holes connecting it to the column. Use the drill to gradually tighten until it is secured in place. Be careful not to drill in too far, as it may affect the integrity of the spider. Next, flip the column over so the spider is face down. Place the base on top of the column, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to the screws, place them through the base and tighten with the drill. The 400 disc base coffee table range is one of our most popular style bases, as they are a simple yet effective design. They feature adjustable foot glides and come in varying finish options including Danube Black, Porto White, Prague Stainless Steel and Rome Brass or Copper, allowing them to fit into any dining or office application.